Hello everyone, I am Ravi Kumar and today's topic is internet. Internet is very useful in this life. In 1960, Advanced Research Projects Agency ARPA in USA developed first internet. On the behalf of ARPA, first network is ARPANET. We have various techniques for connection of internet. First one is dial-up connection. On now you show in your screen. This is dial-up connection. In this connection, we require a telephone line with the help of modem and connect your network. Second is DSL connection. DSL direct signal link. You can direct link with internet. This is also work like dial-up. Next one is cable connection. Student, you know your TV channels come to your home through the cable. Like that, you can connect your internet like with the help of cable. Fourth, satellite connection. You also connect internet through the satellite. This is mainly used by the big organization, scientists, militaries for the perfect information. Fifth is generation 2G, 3G. You also hear 2G, 3G. 2G in these terms, G is called generation. 2G is based on cellular phones, your phone to phone. 3G is based on frequencies. In the 3G, your data send or receive very fast. And nowadays we will work about 4G. This is very also fast. Last one is choose the ISP. ISP, that means internet service provider. You can choose your ISP for the internet connection like that Airtel, Jio. This is they are the example of ISPs. They are the private internet service provider, and Indian net provider is BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. Now students, we have some requirement for internet connection, hardware and softwares. Hardware. First is computer. For the use internet, you must be have a computer. If you use mobile, that time this place you use mobile. Next is modem. When you connect to computer, modem is very important. Now show on your screen, this is the modem. Modem convert analog signal to digital signal, because our voice is analog signal, computer not understand. But modem convert both the end analog signal to digital and digital to again analog. So modem is work on both the inside. Router. In a network we have various path or route. Router is connect your shortest path for the internet connection or the share your data. Next is NIC, network interface card. This is a card for the internet connectivity. In older days, this is the other hardware or attached outside of the your CPU, but now this time this is built in on your computer. Repeater. When you send any message to very long place, that time you must have repeater. Repeater can strong to your signal when you send and long distance. ISP, internet service provider. This is very must because ISP is provide to all types of services in internet. You have various types of like private and government, Jio, Airtel, Idea and BSNL and so on. Now the time to the softwares. Web browser. Web browser is a platform to run web pages. We have various types of web browser on market, on internet also free. Without web browser you can't run your web pages. Next is network drivers. Students, You have various types of devices, so you must have the all type of drivers of that devices. Now student, we discuss about some important terms of internet. www, full form is World Wide Web. When we use internet, the first term is www. This is indicate to you connect to the internet all over the world. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This protocol allow to share any data to one to other person or many person. IP, Internet Protocol. Every device have a separate and unique IP address. According to IP address, you can search anyone and also other search to you. Web browser. Web browser is a platform to run your web pages. We have various types of web pages on market. Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome and so on. Web page. Web page is a container to your all item hold on your web pages like the text, animation, images and whatever you show on your web pages, that is called web page. Website is a unique or particular address of a web page. With the help of website, you can get a particular web pages. Every web page have a unique address. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. This technique, internet store all web pages and website on a particular space. This is a uniform of address. If you write a wrong address, your internet show error and also correct sometimes. Search engine. Search engine is very important whenever we use you hear Google, Yahoo, they are the very famous search engines. Search engines show the all web pages according to your input related web pages. Next, protocol. Protocol is a set of protocol for the use internet. Dear student, rules is very important. When you use internet, some rules are follow compulsory. Application and services of internet. Communication. With the help of internet, we can communicate to anybody, anywhere, anytime. Internet make very fast to your communication skill. We use any type of chatting, video, audio or text type in communication. Next is data sharing. With the help of internet, you can share your data in form of the any picture, image, audio, video, any database, any type of form. According to your computer system, you can share. Resources sharing. Dear student, resources sharing, that means if one person have printer and another person have not, but with the help of internet you can also share the printers. Share that means not give your printer to other, that time other person request to print. If you go to the cafe, one printer and everybody use. This is the help of internet. Now internet is very useful, so definitely impact on social life through some important education. And nowadays education have various useful for internet. A student can search any type of topic, any videos, any problems in internet. You can type any topic on Google, you got any type, every solution. Entertainment. After the education, entertainment is very important for our life. For the entertainment, we use play games, movies, songs, video, internet available everything. In the lockdown time, internet is the basic entertainment medium. Next is business. With the help of internet, our business is very vast. You can fastly spread your business with the help of internet through the site. Amazon, Flipkart, OLX is the example of the business trades. Telecommunication. Telecommunication, it provides to communicate or to very long distance person. Collaboration publishing. Collaboration, that means collect to everyone on one platform. You know Facebook. This is the publishing area example. Everybody is connect on a one platform all over the world. Twitter is also example of publishing. And the end of the session, I want to say here our important term, that is surfing. When we use internet, that is called surfing. I hope you understand internet, how to connect and uses of internet. Thank you.